kọjá àwọn tí wọ́n ń bá wa jà àwọn Haúsá Fúlàní tó ń bá àpò yìí àwọn ń dúró dowó táwọn bàbá wọn bá ti fún ọ ní ọ̀dà báyìí wọ́n ń bínú lọ nìyẹn èmi ò sọ pé kó asábẹ́ gómìnà àwọn gómìnà tó lọ kó asábẹ́ àwọn sọ di bísínẹ́sì ẹnu àwọn gómìnà yẹn gan oko ẹ ti understand ní state àwọn àyẹn sì PDP làwa Ọ̀ṣun APC ni wọn Èkìtì APC ní gómìnà bẹ Ondo state APC ní gómìnà bẹ abẹ́ẹ̀kọ́ Èkó APC ẹ wá ní kí gómìnà PDP tí a ń bí ayé àyìn kó sọ̀pọ̀tì àwọn ẹ̀kọ́ jọ ṣe papọ̀ bó làjọ ṣe pọ̀ sí fẹ́ wà láàrin wọn àwọn APC ni wọ́n sì lòkè òkè tá a sì ń sọ yá Haúsá Fúlàní ló lórí wa ń bẹ abẹ́ẹ̀kọ́ ni gbogbo agbára tí ń bẹ́lẹ̀ Yorùbá lé ní pápátá Haúsá Fúlàní ló wáyé di bẹ abẹ́ẹ̀kọ́ ni ẹ wá lẹ dá Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn lẹ̀ ẹ wá lẹ wá kó wọn sábẹ́ gómìnà kan gómìnà máa béèrè owó láti federal pé Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn tí mo dálẹ̀ mo nídìí owó láti fi sponsor rẹ o ti gómìnà kọ̀ọ̀kan wọn á sọ di business wọn sì sọ gbogbo nǹkan làwọn sọ di jẹun tí wọn ẹ ti understand wọn á sọ di business nígbà tí wàá ní afẹ́ bá Boko Haram jà kì í ṣe pa ní afẹ́ dá Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn lẹ̀kẹ́kù asábí ọlọ́pàá ẹ tún wá fọ ọlọ́pàá hẹ́ẹ̀dì ọbẹ̀ ẹni ẹ̀ ń bọ́ ní ṣe ọlọ́pàá mọ́ wọn ṣé ọlọ́pàá tẹ kó papọ̀ mọ́ Yorùbá láti lọ fèsì Boko Haram ẹ mú ọlọ́pàá Haúsá Fúlàní ẹ kó papọ̀ mọ́ Yorùbá láti lọ fèsì Boko Haram ṣé ọlọ́pàá yẹn tọ́jà Haúsá Fúlàní wọ́n máa wò kẹ́ mọ́ pa àwọn fámìlì rẹ̀ kódà bá àwọn fámìlì rẹ̀ ń ṣe aburú yóò aláburú àwọn fámìlì òun ṣe kẹ́ mọ́ pa wọn rọ́bìsì lẹ́sẹ̀ ẹ lè rí nǹkan kan lẹ́sẹ̀ tó kéré kankan Yorùbá nìkan la ní kí àwọn ọ̀dọ́ Yorùbá tá a bá láyà tá a lè fira wálẹ̀ èmi ò kúkú béèrè nǹkan kan kó bá gbé nǹkan kan ohun tẹ́mi fẹ́ fi bá Boko Haram jà lọ́pọ̀ ara mi ó wà lọ́wọ́ mi mi nídìí ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ gómìnà kankan kí ni àwọn gómìnà tó fẹ́ sọ di business làwọn fi ń ṣe wọ́n máa kọ sínú àpò ìjọba pé owó àwọn Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn iye báyìí là ń ná lórí ẹ̀ lóṣù wọ́n tún máa sọ tán bá ná 10 naira lórí ẹ̀ wọ́n kàn 10 naira làwọn náà àwọn náà ti mú tiwọn sápò ń bẹ̀ business ní gbogbo nǹkan báyẹn ní kẹ́ ṣe báyẹn kò lè sí èso rẹ̀ kankan tí ìyẹn fẹ́ kò lè ṣe sóore kankan tí gómìnà bá fẹ́ rẹ̀ wá lọ́wọ́ lórí ẹ̀ kọ́ gómìnà mọ́ dá sí kó gbótò ẹgbẹ́ tẹ dálẹ̀ yìí o láti kọ̀yà láti bá Boko Haram jà yìí o nǹkan tẹ́mi náà lágbára ní state mi o mo support yín ṣé nígbà tó fẹ́ dá OPC ilé sábẹ́ gómìnà náà kò sí wọ́n padà bà ẹgbẹ́ OPC yẹn jẹ́ nígbà tó OPC kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ta ló lè gbé náà ojú ẹkùn láìsàwò ẹgbẹ́ yẹn kọ́ dúró àṣìlábẹ́ gómìnà kankan àṣìlábẹ́ níbo dá dúró àwọn jákèjádò pamọ́ Yorùbá ni wàá dájọ́ apẹ̀rẹ̀ àjọpá dúró ṣé àwọn tó plan ẹgbẹ́ OPC yẹn gbà yẹn sí wọn sí láyé mọ́ ni tẹ́wálẹ̀ plan ẹgbẹ́ Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn láti bá Boko Haram jà ẹ wá lè kó wọn sábẹ́ ọlọ́pàá ẹ kó wọn sábẹ́ gómìnà ẹ kó wọn sábẹ́ ìwèrè kan rọ́bìsì lẹ́sẹ̀ ó sì gbáà ni ìyẹn àwọn yẹn ọ̀rẹ́dì àti gbìjà Yorùbá àwọn ń ṣe tiwọn àwọn wà tó ń jẹ àwọn yẹn mi ò mọ̀ ń pa ìyẹ̀wé mi bá wọn dá sí tá a bá fẹ́ gbé ṣe tán láti gbìjà Yorùbá kí ẹ ti bí wọ́n ṣe kó wọn sábẹ́ gómìnà lápò wọn sábẹ́ gómìnà èmi dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé tó bá pẹ́ títí akóló ló pè bàbá ẹ̀ tó bá pẹ́ títí kálukú ọ̀dọ́ dọ́mù yẹ ẹ̀gbẹ́ kájọ dúnbándé ara wa tájọ kọjú ìjà síra wa à ń ṣe fíìmù lọ́wọ́ ni dandan ni sojú tèmi ní òsè kò ní sẹ́yìn mi kì í ṣe kàtí ọ̀pẹ ẹ̀ rí i pé àwọn bàbá táwọn sọ wọ̀nyí alábọ̀dé lọ́pọ̀ nu wọn gbogbo tó ń pè wọ́n ń ṣe ní ṣe pé káwọn fi kẹ́lẹ̀ fáwọn ọmọ àwọn ni wọ́n ń ṣe àwọn bàbá wa yìí nìyẹn wọ́n máa tà wá àwọn ní yá plan tèmi ní lórí Yorùbá tí máa rántí mọ́ pamẹ́lẹ́kùn kí ẹ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn tá a bá fẹ́ gbòmìnira àwọn kan wà láyé àwọn kan gbogbo ọjọ́ fẹ̀mí lẹ̀ ni ẹnìkan ò lè dìde kó lóun fẹ́ dájọba bájà sẹ́ńgbọ́ ẹnìkan ò lè bá ìjọba jà àfi kí gbogbo ọjọ́ síra lọ́kàn ìjọba ò sí bájà ṣùgbọ́n tí gbogbo abájọ kóra wa pọ̀ Yorùbá ní àìkọ́wọ́ rí èjò ní ìsìnkú kalankọ́rí tí ọ̀ká bá ṣáájú tí pamọ́lẹ̀ bá tẹ̀lé tójú làbá mọ̀ kò sí babalábá bẹ́ẹ̀ tó lè gbé náà ọjọ́ kùn láì sáwó ẹ̀jọ̀ náà stand àpàràpọ̀ kì í ṣe pàápàá àpàràpọ̀ àlọ́ kọ́sábẹ́ gómìnà kan ara kó àmọ̀ gbowó oṣù wèrè kíni wọ́n á sọ di business ìjọba ti sọ di business ẹ̀ wá ni wọ́n bá nìyí látọ̀ kó ń ṣe ní bá nìyí sígbà táwọn dá ìjọba dáhùn dálẹ̀ ilẹ̀ Haúsá tí wọ́n kó sábẹ́ ìjọba ìbọn dá tí wọ́n kó ra ọjọ́ gúrúùpù ni sígbà tó fẹ́ dá Boko Haram múlẹ̀ tí àwọn Boko Haram yẹn tí wọ́n lọ kó ra sábẹ́ ìjọba ni wọn kó ra sábẹ́ ìjọba wọ́n dá dúró ni ìgbà tó fẹ́ dá baka sílẹ̀ nílò yìí bò tí wọ́n kó ra sábẹ́ gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì kankan ni wọ́n kó ra wọn jọ ni wọ́n plan ẹ tó understand ẹ wá kó ra ẹ ń jọ wọn ni wọ́n lọ́ọ̀tì Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn àwọn governors wọ́n fẹ́ lọ́ọ̀tì Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn àwọn governors tó yẹ pé ó lé gbogbo wọn ó lé gbogbo àwọn governors yẹn àwọn wà tó ń jẹ ni wọ́n fi wá sí business ni àwọn governors yẹn wọ́n náà tà wá débi tá a délé ni.
So guys, a lot of people came for Shehu Sani yesterday when he said they would want Sunday Igboho to come to the north to help them fight Boko Haram. And a lot of people were like, what do you mean? This and that. He's not for that. He's not for this. It's like he had seen this video before, because this video that Sunday Igboho made, not now. This was done by last year or so, even before all these things really started. And these people had really known, they've seen everything that has been going on. Even with the politicians, they know that the politicians are playing to the gallery. He talked about Amotekun that whatever that is under the government, especially the politicians, forget it. They will turn it to business. And like he said, if people really want to do things and you want to get good results, and just like what Eastern Security Network is doing now, it is not under government, and they will be so neutral because they are fighting for the people. But like what Sunday Igboho said, this video is not even a recent video, and maybe this man has seen it before. Shehu Sani has seen it before, or just seen it now, or because of the way things are going now, and they have seen that this one, this man is really a strong man and is determined. You know that some people that will be strong, they will have all it takes, but the boldness will not be there. Like we always talk about these politicians, the political will to do most things. Some of them, they might want to do things, but they will be handicapped because of the people that they are surrounded with, and maybe the manner at which they got there. Maybe somebody just put them there as a godfather, so you can't even do much. But people will be looking at you that when this person gets there, he's going to do something better, he's going to do something spectacular. But as soon as the person gets there, it's going to be a very, very big disappointment to a lot of people. And that is why you see that people don't even trust politicians. Some of them might have good intentions, but getting there, the case will not be, if you cannot beat them, you do what? You join them. Some of them even go with the intention of going to make money. Of course, the people have done some wrong things and they got away with it. Some people now say, okay, let me go there. Let me go and cut my own cake from the national whatever. So, whatever that is being kept under these people, honestly, most especially the politicians, they will mess it up. And that is why it's even better that the Eastern Security Network, that they are operating independently. And that's why you see that the Southeast people, the governors, they cannot even bring up what is it called? They can't bring up their own security outfits. The Amotekun that is even operational in the Southwest, you see the politics they are playing about it. You see how police have really come for them, that they are this, they are that, just to discredit them. And they are not even too strong like that. They are just struggling because you have to get order from somebody. And like he said, that if you want to, like Sunday Igboho said, if people really want to get what they want, they should not be involved with government or these politicians, because a lot of them are rogues. They have made it a business venture. And that's why they are playing with the lives of people. They get security votes. What do they do with it? Nothing. He said he has what it takes. It's in his pocket out if you want to deal with all these Boko Haram people. But of course, I'm sure he believes that all these S-men, they are all Boko Haram people. But he said he has what it takes in his pocket to get rid of them. This video was not done recently. For those who will be saying, when did he do this video? He didn't do it recently. He had said it. And that's why you see that those who really know this country, they've been talking. But those who do not even know anything, they are just shallow-minded. They will just be saying, I bet, forget. It will not happen. Nnamdi Kanu, now see what is happening. Nobody's even talking. People are supposed to be saying it, that this guy has been saying this, there will be influx of Fulani Esme in the South, in South generally. Nobody believed him. And nobody's even saying, this man said it. We would have listened, would have prepared. Even up to now, as we speak, most of the politicians did not even understand all the languages that the masses are speaking, what the people are feeling. These politicians, they don't feel it any bit. They don't feel it a bit. We can talk from now to eternity. It does not bother them. There's something they are looking up to. And when some people, when you hear some people comment, you think they are talking nonsense. Because majority of these politicians, or majority of them, they are just focused on 2023. And some people will tell you that you don't even know whether you are going to even see that 2023. And a lot of them are beginning to die. Nobody is even laughing at anybody. But the way the arrogance with our politicians, because they believe that they are in charge and they are ruling with oppression. They are ruling people with oppression, not with love, not with the constitution. And that is why you see that once they misbehave, they begin to bring all these senior advocates of Nigeria to begin to bring in technicality to all of these things. So we just need to be careful. This video this man did, he did it as if he knew what could happen. And just yesterday, Shehu Sani came out and said, let this man come and help us. Let's see this man come and help us. And meanwhile, he had said it before now. That he has what it takes. For those of you who do not even understand Yoruba, about exactly what he said, that he has what it takes to get rid of Boko Haram. So guys, let us hear your opinion. Leave your comment below and let's know your thoughts on this.